guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just went ahead and filmed this look for you guys. It is my everyday makeup look. A lot of you have actually asked me in person, through text, whatever, how I do achieve this look. So here it is for you guys. I actually had some time to sit down and film, which I was super happy about, and hoping to be filming some more videos for you guys later. But I won't keep rambling. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look going from a 0 to about a 5, keep on watching. So I already went and applied my eyebrows because that takes 5 ever because I'm a perfectionist, and if they're not, like, I like freak out. But first thing I am gonna do is prep my eyelid. I don't use a eyeshadow primer. Personally, I don't love all the ones that I have tried, and I have tried quite a bit. I typically just go in with concealer, and the concealer that I've actually always just been going in is the MAC, the little Studio Fix foundation little pods. Just applying that all over the lid and then just setting it with just like a neutral shadow. So I'm gonna go in with this first guy right here. Clearly that's my favorite shade because it's almost gone. So I'm gonna go in and do that real quick. Alright, so the next shade I'm going to go in with is the burnt orange shade, and I'm just going to be using a big fluffy brush and just kind of buffing that, keeping it on the outer corner and then buffing it into the crease a little bit. Now that I feel like I've got that on even, I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna go in with this guy. Sometimes I go that one or that one, just depends on my mood really. But I'm gonna go in with this one and then just focus that more on the outer part of the eye and just kind of buff it into that first color that I threw in there. Alright, so the first shade that I went in with, I'm actually just going to take that same brush and go back over the lid just to make it pop a little bit more because it kind of got lost within the other colors. Next thing I'm going to be doing is going in with my eyeliner, which I'm holding it backwards. That doesn't help anybody, but you can't really see it anyway. The NYX Epic Ink Liner. I used to use one by them that I absolutely loved. It was their matte ink liner, but the only thing was the way the brush was, I would always get the liquid on my lashes, and then once I like did my mascara, it was just like, so this one is super easy to use. It's just a little pen, which is super dope, and it is waterproof, so if you're someone who has like 4 mental breakdowns a day like me, this is perfect for you because it's not gonna come off. Alright you guys, so I finished both sides of my liner. 5 years later, I'm going to go in with some mascara to coat my lashes and prep them for my falsies. And the lashes I'm going to be going in with are my favorite. They are the Luxy Lashes in the style Westside. Typically when I order them too, they're always having a lot of sales, which is awesome. $29 pair of eyelashes for like, what, I think after shipping and everything, it comes out to like 18 bucks. So it's really not a bad deal. And plus I can reuse these suckers like over 30 times, which I love. This is gonna be weird to a lot of people, but no, I don't use a primer. Personally, I just feel like they clog my pores, they make my acne worse than it is, I guess. Just causes more little whiteheads that I don't need on my face, and plus I just feel like I take really good care of my skin for the skin conditions that I do have. So it's just throwing foundation on there just looks a whole lot better by itself. So the foundation I'm actually going to be going in with today is the new Tarte Face Tape foundation, which I will say was super sketchy to try just because I did very much dislike the other two that they came out with. I mean, I know one of them was just a remake of an older one, and then the Shape Tape was just literally the concealer in a bottle, but was not loving them, was not a big fan, did not like the finish on them, did not like how they turned orange on everybody, so it was just 10 out of 10, would not recommend. But they got rid of those guys, and they quote-unquote listened to us, and they did. A lot of you know too that I'm very picky on my foundations. I need something that is going to cover, something that is going to look good on my type of skin, and something that is going to last all day. The shade I'm going to be going in with today is Medium Sand. The brush I'm going to be using to buff all that out is the Sigma Flat Kabuki, the F80 brush. Clearly y'all can see this foundation is very full coverage, which a bitch loves. So if literally, even if you're someone who doesn't have skin problems and you just really want a full coverage foundation, there you go. And it looks so flawless. Like, that's one thing I absolutely loved about it. Wearing it, I was just like, okay. So yes. All right, so now I'm gonna be going in with the Tarte Creaseless Maracuja concealer. I actually really like this concealer. Not a lot, of course, everybody's like team Shape Tape, which that's fine, but my only concern is I get really dry under my under eyes, and that is a very mattifying concealer, so I just try to avoid that at all costs. So I'm going to be going in with this guy. This is the same color as my foundation, Medium Sand, but it does look a little bit lighter. And then I'm just going to use my Real Technique sponge to buff all that out. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with cream contour today. Sometimes I do it, sometimes I don't. It honestly just depends what mood I'm in, but I'm gonna go in and conceal with the LA Girl Pro Concealers, and this one's in the color Toffee. I'm just gonna apply that where I will go back over with my bronzer and buff that out. Alright, so now that I've laid down all my liquids, I'm gonna go in with my translucent setting powder and just set your bitch down. I'll say I absolutely have been loving this powder as well. Just like my foundations, I'm very picky on my powders. Reason being, a lot of powders that I've tried either settle, I get really bad smile lines, so I have powder set into there, under my eyes. I take a lot of photos with flash. I do not like flashback in photos. That is one thing I cannot stand. But with using the new Lancôme translucent powder, it is super soft, no flashback in photos, no creases in my smile lines, under my eye, and it just, again, looks flawless on my skin. So I'm gonna go with that guy. Alrighty, so now that I feel like I am set, of course I'm going to go back in with some more bronzer. The one that I absolutely ride or die am in love with is the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula. I use the deep just because like I feel like it shows up the best and it looks the best for some reason. I don't like the light one. So yes, I'm hitting pan, but she's not completely done yet. So I'm going to go in with her and we're going to add some more. For just going in and contouring my nose, though, I am going to take a little bit of a smaller brush and just get that definition in there. Thing I'm going to be going in with is blush, and I'm just going to be using my Tarte blush in the color Harmony. I believe they discontinued this shade, so that I am kind of sad about that because I needed to find a new blush. But I'm going to be going in with that guy and applying that to my cheeks. And of course, your look is never really complete unless you add a shit ton of highlighter to your face. So I'm going to be going in with the Amrezy highlighter and just putting that wherever I want to glow, boo. You feel? I feel. Just like I did with my nose, I am going to take a smaller brush to apply my highlighter to the bridge of my nose. And the tip. Never forget the tip. Following up that, I'm going to apply my favorite eyeliner in the inner part of my eye. It is the Fake Awake from Tarte. I just like it. I like that doll look. I like the brightening, awake, dramatic, unnecessary, like, hi look. So I'm gonna go ahead and add that to my waterline, and then I'm gonna finish with some mascara afterwards. Alright, so this is kind of the completed look. I'm gonna go and fix my hair, throw on my lips, and then I will be back. Alright, you guys, so this is the completed look. I went ahead and clearly fixed my hair because she was a mess. Put on my lips because we all know I don't have any. Changed, put my jewelry on, the whole shebang, the whole 9 yards. I hope you guys liked this video. I don't know if it helped any of you at all, but I know some people always ask me what I do every day for my makeup, so here you go. If you did like this video though, please give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't, I don't know what to tell you. If there are any videos in the future that you guys do want to see, please let me know. I know there is one thing that a few of you did ask me. It was about in a few of my photos I do wear my long ponytail, so you guys want to see a tutorial on that. But if you guys want to see anything else, vlogs, tutorials, fashion videos, hair, whatever, let a bitch know. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.